Hi everyone. So this is a multifunctional cart that I received from Amazon that I wanted to share my thoughts on and give you guys the product link for in case you're interested in purchasing one yourself. I will list the name of the Amazon store down in the description box and provide the product link. This was a very easy product to put together, and it is something that I'll be able to use anywhere around the house. I'm always short on storage space, so this will definitely come in handy. First of all, the instructions were included, and a little worse for the wear because they've been moved around a little bit, but they were extremely easy to follow. All the product parts, let's see over here, all the directions step by step with pictures. That's all you needed were pictures because it was super simple to assemble. It took me under 15 minutes tops to assemble this on my own. I didn't even need to dig out extra tools like a screwdriver, hammer, anything like that. They included a Allen wrench and a regular little wrench to use, and that's all I needed to assemble it. The Allen wrench was to put all the screws in, and this little wrench was just if I chose to use wheels instead of the adjustable feet. I chose the adjustable feet because once I find a spot for it, that's probably where it's going to sit. But they did include a set of wheels with it. Nice, very, very sturdy wheels. 2 with locks and 2 without. That way, if you want to have it stationary, you can use the feet. If you want to move it around the house, you can use the wheels. Now, I really like the wood grain MDF top. It's like a matte finish. It's not super smooth, it's matte, which I prefer. I think the shiny surfaces tend to look a little cheap. This looks a little bit, a little nicer to me. I like that has this bar on the side, which if you have the wheels attached, it's nice to move it from room to room. Or if you're going to use it in a kitchen, it would be great for a kitchen towel. If you use it in a bathroom, it would be great for a hand towel. It has 2 wire baskets which pull out, and you can pull them from either direction. And there's a little, let me see if I can show you, a little screw in here to keep it from coming all the way out. See, it stops it, which is nice because I would probably pull the whole basket out with everything in it. And then it's got the little wire shelf on the bottom. And let's see, it has the feet that are adjustable. You can just screw them to adjust them however you need them if your floor is uneven, like in my apartment. So I am not sure where I'm going to use this. My first thought is I'm probably going to use it for some crafting supplies, but my thought was I can use it wherever I happen to need the storage. I will probably use it for some craft supplies initially because, like I said, the baskets roll out and it's got all this space. I could put something up here, like one of my crafting appliance machine type things. If I decide not to move it out of the craft room, I can use it in my beauty / makeup room, putting products in the baskets and on the lower shelf, and then like a decorative item can go on top. I can see it being used in the bathroom with a towel hung on the bar, and then you can put maybe one of the baskets your extra paper in, your shampoos, lotions, all that stuff, and then the bottom rack, maybe some towels. Laundry room, again, all your laundry supplies, and it's a nice size to fit in any of these spots. Could be used in the kitchen. I'm seeing where the baskets would be awesome for produce because you have your air can circulate. And the top can hold up to 50 pounds, and each basket is said to be able to hold up to 11 pounds. So you could fit a decent amount of produce and such in the baskets. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you the measurements on it because pictures aren't always, accurate in your mind. This is 19 inches by 12 inches, on the top and down. And then the height is 35.4 inches high, so approximately 35.5 inches tall. It is currently selling for $42.99, and definitely worth it in my opinion because it is not a huge cart but very sturdy. Now I have the feet on it, and as you can see, minimum, wobbling it, it's pretty sturdy. You don't see it swaying or anything like that. I think that it's going to hold up really, really well. And they did end up giving me a couple extra screws, so that's nice in case, you know, you kick one under a stand while you're assembling it. And there's also an extra one of these was included, because these aren't necessarily screwed into anything. They're just there as a stopper to keep the baskets from moving. So super, super easy. If you're not good at assembling furniture, this is definitely up your alley. It took me no time, literally no time to put this together. And I struggle with assembling some of that furniture that needs to be put together. And you don't even have to go, like I mentioned, digging through your toolbox to find a screwdriver, a hammer, a mallet, any of that stuff. It's very, very easy. And instructions are extremely easy to follow. I've had instructions before that I felt like I needed a college degree to figure out. This was so easy. And the thing I like the most is that it's multifunctional. You can literally use it in any room. It doesn't have an aesthetic that where it'll only fit in a particular room. I love the size of it. It may be too small for some people, but I think it's a perfect size because you can fit it in just that little spot that you need that tiny bit of extra storage. So that's my thoughts on this cart that I got from Amazon, which it doesn't look like much of a cart because I chose not to put the wheels on it. But it's easy enough to unscrew the feet and change them out with the wheels. And like I said, when I opened it, I was super, super impressed with the wheels. They are nice, heavy-duty, sturdy wheels, you know. I was shocked. And as you can see, this swivels, so your wheels will swivel. Very impressed with it. Very happy with it. I can see it being used all throughout the house. When it has served its purpose in one room, it can definitely move to another room and have a new life. So that is my thoughts on this. There will be the Amazon store name down in the description. There will be a link to purchase it if you're interested down in the description. Feel free to let me know what you think. Is it something that you'd be interested in checking out and possibly buying? What do you think about the price point? Any thoughts are always welcome. Feel free to share your opinion. So until the next video, bye everyone.